today's session. IDs. Yesterday we have discussed on the classes. The similar thing. In the classes we define the class ID. That classes in the style sheet session with starts with the dot. Whereas here in the class division under division class equals to city. Like this we have accessed this formatting. Okay. Now we can create another type of formatting procedure. This is I have defined this format with this ID, and then whatever the formats that are available here using this ID, it will this is creating ID, this is applying that ID. Okay, these formats, whatever these formats, light blue background color, and the color is equal to black. Padding text align center. Okay, like thing it will come. Okay, let's see this one. I have opened in Internet Explorer. This is yesterday's one. Okay, let's see today's one how it works. In the style sheet, we have already defined T01, T02. Okay, width, background color, border spacing, and then border something we have done. You can add whatever the existing thing here also, that is fine. Just save. Here ID equals to my header. ID equals to, you can use this T1, T02, T01. Okay, let's save, refresh here. You see, things are coming out. This is my ID, my header. My header is the background color is light blue. That's why light blue is there. And then color equals to black. By default black. This London is capital of England means this is again some other color. This is H2 paragraph. Paragraph will be another color, orange color. That's why it is text is in orange. Okay, if you don't keep this one, it will apply only these things. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, let's save and then refresh here. See, all paragraphs are black. Okay, you can make changes also. All paragraphs red. It will apply in all the places. Okay, if you want to apply only in this T1, then you need to comment it out here and then you can put color. green. Last semicolon is not required. Here semicolon is required. Okay, all the places. Last place no semicolon. Okay, last line. Then refresh. You see, red, all the red came. Okay, all the font color red came. Okay, font color red came. Okay, uh, this one T1, T01 color green. You see, this is green came. T01. I change this as green. Remaining thing are black by default. You want to make changes for all? Semicolon. The color black is already there. You need not to worry about this. Save. See, all black will become to green. Here green came, here black came London. Why? Oh, this my header is black only. That's why it is black. Remaining two words become green. Okay, based on this. Either you can use this class or IDs. Okay, as you wish. Both are working. Both should work. Okay, next thing is frames. This IDs chapter is closed, I feel. See, there is a small difference between class and IDs, but it is working similar most of the things. Whereas here a class name can be used by multiple HTML elements, whereas ID name must only be used by one HTML element within the page. Is it? Okay, let's see. If I do my header, whether it works or not. This is the thing I feel. A class name can be used by multiple HTML elements, whereas ID name must only be used by one HTML element. Let's see. This ID I have used for multiple elements. Okay, let's see whether it works or not. I have saved. Refresh. It worked, na? We don't know what is the inner meaning of this. Okay, let's go to frames. Okay, this is just we need to know how ID works and how class works. Okay, that should be enough as of now. And then HTML frame. These are very important. This is one frame. Okay, this is one frame. This is one frame. Iframe means inline frame tag. So it's where an inline frame. An inline frame is used to enable embedded another document within the current document HTML tag. You see, this is entire this thing. This is one frame. Let's see how can do. You need to set height and width of the frame. Okay. Mm, let's include one some other page inside this frame. Mm, I see first.html is there. Okay. Let's include entire this page in this. We'll create one frame here and then include this. Okay. Let's go to this frame. We need to say height, how much height it is. This is a frame. How much height it is, how much width it is. It should be displayed now. That's why we need to add here. Which file you want to, you need to keep this first.html. Height width, let it be title iframe example. Okay. Save, refresh. You see, this is the frame. Okay, align equals to right. You can keep middle also. Refresh. There is no middle, center only. Just save and then refresh here. Oh, content becomes center. Okay. Okay, let it be. Okay, let's if I remove this one, I keep only width. Let's see what will happen. Oh, it is normal by default it is taking. This is one frame. We see frame. Same similar kind of a frame, similar kind of frame. If you add the content, it will be you will get scrolling like this. This is one frame, this is another frame. Whereas here, this is one frame. This is the frame we just did. This is another empty box. Okay. This is all about frames. Okay, if you want to remove the border, you can just style border none. Okay, whatever the border this is showing, it will not come this border. Okay, it will print as it is. Okay, I don't think so. This will be. This is enough, I feel. Let's go to JavaScript. JavaScript is a very important concept in the HTML. Okay. In Microsoft Excel, we did something like some validation. We did not data validation. Those kind of thing will be validating here. Okay. Okay. For doing see for a style sheet, we used this style. Style is a tag. For JavaScript, what is the tag is required script. Script tag is used to define JavaScript. Okay, client side script. Okay, common. We need to use document dot get element by ID. This ID should be something like this. ID demo. Okay, output. Let's see how it works. I think this is not a correct way. Okay, let's see here some examples how it works. Okay, this is the external JavaScript file. Okay, that we need to create a script.js. Whenever the alert means it will throw some box output. Okay. Okay. Now what we are keeping here? This title will show here. Script src. This is the JavaScript script path, JavaScript path, and then type text or JavaScript. This is JavaScript. Okay. When this function should run. Okay. Function hello. This hello function should run. This is we are calling this function is here. Okay. This is the function calling. Okay. Input type equals to button. On click is equal to hello. Name okay. But that button name. Okay. We'll say okay. And then value equal to click me. Okay. Let's see this small text, small output. Copy. What is this name? We'll script.js. JavaScript now. See the file extension of JavaScript file is JS. Okay. We need to put all types script.js. For CSS, you need to put style CSS extension. For JavaScript, JS. Okay. Okay. Just HTML, whatever it may be. Here we need to give proper path. Script.js is within the same location now wherever the test.html, wherever the test.html and then script.js, both are in same folder. That's why we need not mention that full path. You can mention full path also like this. Okay. Copy, paste or something like this. This will also work. Okay, both things work. Okay, let me keep only this. Okay, I need to save both, then only it works. Test.html. Okay, this one is first.html. This is not required. Here, right click, refresh. See, live demo. Click me. Click me is coming. You see, value of the button. This input type equals to button. These things will come in HTML forms. Okay, these are in the form section. You will get button, all kind of things. Okay, input type equals to button. Click on click is equal to hello. This is the function in the JavaScript. Okay, that's why in the script.js this hello is the function. You see, hello is the function. Hello is the function. Okay, and then name equals to okay. Name will come after clicking. Okay, value equal click me. Value will display on this button. Okay, let's see. Oh, live demo is here. No, not required. Save. We just clearing that extra characters. Okay. Just to make allow blocked content, just click me. Hello world. Whatever the value in the script .js hello world, it is coming here. Press OK. Okay. If you want to change the hello world instead of hello world, hello baby, and then just to refresh here, then click hello baby. Okay, this hello, if you keep hello, the function's name in the here also hello, and then you need to include that style here, JavaScript, not style, sorry. The same file name should be keeping here. Okay, this is a simple JavaScript code, simple JavaScript example. Let's see one by one. You can write, this is the external JavaScript. Okay, script.js we have kept in another file. Okay, same thing works within itself also. Copy, just remove src. Inside this keep function. Function hello will call here also. Refresh, click hello baby. Okay, you can change something. You can also write within the script. Okay, in the header section. If you want to write external, you can write external and then include here. Script type equals to JavaScript src. Okay. Let's see hello hello. Okay. Let's see it works or not. Refresh. Hello hello. Okay. Both things come. Both way it can work. Either you use external only the recommended. Internal we just for understanding learning sake we are doing internal. Okay. Okay, events. Event is nothing but if you click or something, if you do something, any kind of click, that is event. If you do mouse, keep put on this, that is also event. Okay, let's see this event handler how it works. Okay, if you want to event is nothing but any action. If you do minimize, that is event. If you do close, that is event. Everything called event handler. Okay. If you select anything, that is also event. Everything. Okay, in the computer language called events. Let's see whether this event handler. I am event handler. If you mouse over this place now, something like this, that event handler will run. Let's see how it works. See, if I go there, this message box is coming. Okay, I can see. If I go there, it is coming out. Okay. Yeah, if I go there, event handler is coming. Okay, we'll see later this JavaScript part now. We'll do more examples in forms. Okay, in the forms we'll write more examples of JavaScript, whether it has covered or not, let's see, or else I will check in other tutorials, other places. Okay, here this is okay, we'll see. Okay, same kind of CSS, we'll check this remaining things. Okay, next session JavaScript only. Let's see one by one what head will be. Oh, head is this one only. Okay. Okay, let's do focus on next session in depth on the JavaScript. Okay, I don't think so. Remaining things are very important. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss on that. Okay.